Hello, hi, and welcome to a quick video, which is not on Tuesday, not on Thursday, but I was having so much fun with this thing here that I needed to show it to you. So it's a 1 or 2 minute video, just very quick. So we've got the tag system here, right set up. Look at the beautiful, ain't that beautiful? It's not completely finished yet, right? But it's still already working pretty well. I have hooked this up right now to TIA Portal, and in there, not to TIA Portal, but to PLC Sim. And with an HMI, with a simulated HMI, I have hooked this tank system up to that. So that's a possibility for everyone. As soon as I upload this software, this version, or actually a good version, which will be very soon. But here, look at this. I can control the mixer. Right? Do you see it? An analog, talking about analog values now, I can control the mixer speed. Right? That is right now in the PLC. Like in the or in my simulation there, we can go very fast. I should put a limiter. I actually have a limiter in my program, so but I'm gonna there's gonna be some tweaks here and there. And also this, look at this. I have two inlets. Like this tank, if I just go around here on here, there's the motor here in the center, and there's two valve inlets. So if I go down here and I check this out, how awesome is this? It's not done yet, but I'm just having so much fun. There's two inlets and they both are analog valves. Like the opening, we cannot just say open or close. We can have an analog value, and check this out. Valve 2, you see it on the right side. Do you see this red? This goes from the PLC. Like how strong is this opened up? This comes from the PLC, right? Pretty cool. We also have a feedback that you see here on the left side there where my cursor is right now. So the tank is filling up. We have the analog feedback. And I also have the second valve, which is blue. That's why the water right now is purplish, because I've got these two mixing up. Right? So pretty cool. I'm looking forward to how this is going to look like when it's completely done. But that's the status I have right now, which I thought I would share with you because I am having so much fun. And the last thing, I have this little valve here. I can open it up and this is my tank outlet. So right now it's actually a little bit more letting the water out, the purple water, whatever that is, than in. So that is the status here. It's all hooked up to TIA Portal. I'm already proud of it. It's so much fun. I will let you know when there is a version you can play around with, which might already be tomorrow. I don't know yet, but stay tuned. So that's all I wanted to do. Quick video here, quick update. Thanks for watching. And yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow for TIA Tuesday. Bye-bye. Have a nice day and stay safe, stay healthy. I'm having so much fun.